Allahabad High Court dismissing the Muslim side plea in the Gyanvapi case. I'm being joined by Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain. So, how do you feel? What is the key judgment that has come today?
See, today the Honorable Allahabad High Court has dismissed the petition filed by Anjuman Intizamiya. The basic challenge before the Honorable Allahabad High Court by Anjuman Intizamiya were two orders passed by the District Court of Varanasi. First was of 17th of January and the other was of 31st of January. Therein the Honorable District Court of Varanasi had appointed the receiver, and the Honorable Allahabad High Court and on the Honorable District Court of Varanasi had directed conducting Puja in the Vyas Tehkhana by order of 31st of January. These were the two orders which were challenged before the Honorable Allahabad High Court, and today the Honorable Allahabad High Court has dismissed the petition filed by Anjuman Intizamiya.
So, what next is there for you and for the Muslim sides now?
See, we will file our caveat before the Honorable Supreme Court, and if the Muslim party and the Anjuman Intizamiya has agreed by this order, they can file an SLP before the Honorable Supreme Court, and we will also make our submissions before the Honorable Supreme Court.
So, the detailed judgment says that, relied on a 1993 document. What was that, sir?
See, 1993, there was puja and worship which was going on in the premises in question. Without any written order, the puja and worship was stopped. There is a map which was filed in Deen Mohammed case by the British government, wherein the map says that the Vyas Tehkhana was existing in the site in question. So it's not an afterthought story. We have evidences from 1800, legal documents from 1800 onward till date to show that Vyas Parivar was in possession of that Tehkhana, and illegally Vyas Parivar was thrown out from that tehkana. So that tehkana is a very, very important piece of evidence to show and prove the religious character of this premises in question, and therefore we had filed a suit on behalf of the descendants of Vyas Parivar before the Honorable District Court of Varanasi, and ultimately the order passed by the District Court of Varanasi on 17th of January and 31st of January. There is no infirmity in these orders.
So there were some strictures also passed by the other side on the judge who conducted the trial. So how do you see that, sir?
It's a complete, I think no one should enter into such an arena which is a contemptuous arena, because the Honorable District Judge of Varanasi has exercised his powers under the CPC and has performed his duties as per law and as per the constitution. So if you are saying in the court hearing, and let me tell you verbatim, which they had said, which their senior counsel had said before the Honorable Court, was that the District Judge Varanasi passed the order under the influence of the film. These were the words used in the hearing before the Honorable Allahabad High Court. There are many people who will not report it for more reasons than one, but I am the officer of the court, so it's my duty to tell it to you. And we had filed a written submission before the Honorable High Court, and we had said that you can be agreed by the order of District Court and you can assail that order on legal aspects, but casting aspersions on the District Judge during the hearing before the Honorable Allahabad High Court was uncalled for, and we had filed a written argument before the Honorable High Court saying that these aspersions should not be cast by the learned counsel for the Anjuman Intizamiya, and that's what what we were saying. The Honorable Allahabad High Court has passed.
How do you think, how much relevance is the ASI report for you?
Yeah, ASI report is very, very important piece of evidence. It has all the evidentiary value under section 45 and 2610 of the CPC. Yes, I agree that the ASI report is subject to affirmation and confirmation by the Honorable District Court of Varanasi, and they will file their objections. We will also defend the ASI report before the Honorable Court, and then the ASI report will be read as a part of evidence. But ASI report is a very, very crucial aspect of the case, and ASI exercise is yet to be conducted so far as sealed area is concerned, Wazoo tank area is concerned, where one party is saying it's a Shivlingam, other party is saying it's a fountain. So that exercise will also be conducted in the near future.
So what are the legal options ahead as far as this case is concerned?
See, if the Anjuman Intizamiya files an SLP before the Supreme Court, we will file our caveat before the Honorable Supreme Court, and we will be making our submissions and defending these orders before the Honorable Supreme Court.
So the caveat will be filed very soon?
Very soon, within a day or two, we will file our caveat.
So here we are with Advocate Vishnu Shankar Jain, who clearly said that the caveat is going to be filed very soon, and the whole case will end up in next 6 months. From New Delhi, this is Kanu Sarda for India Today.